What's going on, guys? This is AtrayGaming here for another video, and today, welcome to Vanilla Overhaul. Yeah, the name doesn't sound right because of look how many mods there are. 106 mods loaded, 106 mods active. Great job. Okay, let's just get right into this. Create new world. Let's do AtrayGaming. Alright. And this is a ModPack on the AT launcher. That's kind of ironic. AT. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so mode options is gonna be default. Oh, bombs of honey. Oh, should I do that? Ooh. Let's do default. If you guys want me to do bombs of honey, I'll go to that. I'll just do something else. AtrayGaming. Let's do survival. Nothing else. Boom, boom. Create new world. Nice. Alright, so this is gonna be fun. I'll be back when it starts. I'll be back when the world starts. Okay. Oh! It looks like Minecraft comes alive on this. So, I'm male. Hopefully I'm not feeling it. That's weird. Okay, next. My name is gonna be AtrayGaming. Not that. AtrayGaming. No, I'm just kidding. Next. High versus males, yes. Oh, wait, I can't be both. Dang it. I'm just kidding. Okay, finish. Alright, cool. So apparently Minecraft comes alive in here. Whoa. Whoa. E. Alright. Well, okay. Something's up. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna. Oh, hey, that's cool in this corner. Okay, so this is open blocks. I need to. Hold on, I'll be right back. I need to do some configuration files. Alright, back. I just need to do a little configuration. Not much, just a little. Alright, let's just do this. Let's go. Alright, cool. That should just run on my internet connection, so. Dang, this is gonna. Alright. Whoa, why are you putting me in there? Why? Alright. Well. Okay, so we have minimap. Okay. What the heck? Why did that decay so? Whoa, freeze. Freezing. 1, 2. Okay, so apparently we have open blocks. Oh. Okay, cool. Oh, we have Tinker's Contract. That's good. That's cool. What biome is that? Ugh. Oh, what biome is this? Ugh. Oh. So I know we have lucky blocks in it. Hey! Oh, so this is biomes of plenty. What? Wheatgrass. Lag. Lag. What's happening? What the heck is that? Okay, let's just move along. No, I don't see that. I'm scared of that thing. Okay, so this is going to be just a laggy episode because I'm just generating new terrain all the time. What the heck was that? Oh my god! Oh my god, it scared me. A penguin? Really? A penguin? Why? And what is that? So these are just random stuff, just hopping along. Oh, so this is the gravel thing that you can smell. What is this? Copper? Copper, yeah. So let's just get started making a crafting table like you. What are these? This is gonna be fun to run around with. Alright, just do that. There. Getting wood, baby. Mom, if you're watching this, you did not hear a thing. No, I'm gonna use I'm gonna get a pickaxe. What the heck does this? That looks weird. That is weird. I'm not forgetting my crafting table. Whoa. Hold on, I'm gonna turn down the sensitivity a little bit. Dang. Whoa, that mine's pretty good. Alright. Skyblock. The Skyblock. XP shower. Oh, I've seen that. Yeah. Let's just do that. And this is really laggy. My computer cannot handle this. Computer, wake up. I don't like these. That's a little strange for me. I haven't really seen these, so I'm gonna have to get used to it, I guess. Oh my god. What is this madness vanilla overhaul? I know we have lucky blocks. I know that for a fact. So maybe we can find some lucky blocks on our journey here. Alright, so this, guys, it's pretty much just an introductory episode for this series. So, yeah. Don't expect much for today, just, yeah. What the heck is that? Okay, I'm taking it anyway. Alright, can upgrade. Can I mine that now? Yes, I can. What is that? Copper? Copper ore name. Okay. Later on I'm going to try to reduce the lag, but I don't know how to right now. If you guys know how to reduce the lag without like buying anything new, that'd be really good. That'd be really... Oh, what the heck is this? Marble? Whoa, lagging. Chisel. I really want to find some lucky blocks before I end this episode off. Okay, so there's clay. I want clay. Alright. Oh, I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I got over a stack. Oh, no, almost. That won't do much, but okay. Yeah. What the heck? Who the... I'm not going near you at all. God dang it. What the hell is that? I'm going away. Nope, that's a crocodile. Help! Help! Ah! Help! What the heck is this? I'm running. I'm done. Nope, that's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. What the was that? What the hell? What the heck was that? Oh. Oh, Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. So, I think I've seen this somewhere before. Hopefully there's an entrance, I hope. Is there an entrance? Or is it... Redwood wood. Redwood wood. Oh, so this is like solid, I think. This is solid. This has to be solid. Oh, yeah. Well, I can make a treehouse. That could be a possibility in this series. Well, now I know not to go near scary noises. We do have lucky blocks, right? I have no idea. I know we have lucky blocks, I think. If we don't, I'm adding this into the configuration file. I want lucky blocks in this. Alright. So, yeah. Dirt. That's annoying, but whatever. Yeah, okay. But anyways, what the... Why is it still on my... Oh god, that's a glitch. Whatever. That's cool. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this episode off here. If you guys want to see more of this vanilla overhaul, just leave a like down below. And if you guys want to see bombs aplenty in this series, tell me in the comments. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a fair day, day, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.